Oh wow.
A big game.
A big hole.
Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. Let me take a picture of that.
That's for overflow.
Overflow hole.
The water level ever get back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you're in Arizona.
Grand
Canyon.
We're at Hoover Dam Lookout. There's another gift store and refreshment area. And here's a parking lot. The lookout is in the front. Okay. Woo! Whoa!
Tony.
Right, we're at the Memorial Bridge Plaza. And then we'll just follow the trails and it will take us to the bridge, which is Arizona.
So the bridge belongs to Arizona.
I guess. So this is wheelchair friendly. They have the paved inclines and there's also stairs, the shortcut. is my first time here.
Really?
I've not been to this bridge. I've seen it from far away. A circular. Ooh. Bridge anchor.
Oh.
So big all around us. Amazing view up here. You can see the whole dam from this side. We're on the bridge. Hey, behind us is Hoover Dam from the Memorial Bridge. You can see really nice panoramic view from up here. Good view. Hey, we're done with the Memorial Bridge.
And the Hoover Dam tour and everything.
Yeah, how do you think the whole package?
I think it's definitely worth it. It do take you to a lot of different,
Photogenic places.
yeah.
Yeah, good place to shoot photo. It's
Yeah.
perfect weather today too. A little bit overcast with sunny. So perfect. And tour, the price is not expensive either. I think the most expensive tour I see is like $50. And if you're on discount, maybe 30 something.
Yeah.
And if you have Go Pass, it's like free.
Free, but then
You just
you
pay
can pay
you just pay
$5
$7 the
Seven-
visitor center ticket,
Yeah.
and then $5 more for the
To
power plant
upgrade.
tour. And there's also a $30 package, but it's longer. You might not have enough time to do it. But
I
yeah,
think it's very well-rounded experience. Definitely recommend it if you're ever in the area.
it's a half-day schedule. Yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. Or if you don't do the tour, you can always drive here yourself as well.
Yeah.
Pay the $10 parking and enjoy on your own leisure time.
Yeah,
No
and
rush.
you can still pay for the tour.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys back in Vegas. Bye. thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。